Hi, everyone. I'm Emma Jack. I'm a sport and orthopedic physiotherapist and coach practicing out of my solo practice, Press Play Physiotherapy and Pilates in Ontario, Canada. I've been using Jane for the past 7 years to help run my practice and could not have done it without their support. Today, I'm super excited to share how I use Jane to help manage my schedule and practice. I know firsthand how hectic our clinic days can be. If you've ever felt like you're juggling a million things between appointments and charting, sending exercises, and just keeping your day on track, you are not alone. I've totally been there. I'll be showing you as a fellow physical therapist how Jane can simplify scheduling so that you can spend more time with your patients and less time on all the rest. I'm going to be sharing 4 features within Jane's scheduling system that help to keep my practice running smoothly. The first feature I'd love to share is the post-treatment time at the end of my shifts. If you've ever felt rushed at the end of your day because you need a little extra time to wrap up notes, tidy up, and prepare for the next day, this one's for you. This allows patients to book in with me online, even if the post-treatment time runs after my scheduled shift. My new patient appointments are 60 minutes, but I have 15 minutes post-appointment added so that I can take care of notes and reset the room. So the appointment itself takes up 75 minutes in my schedule. If I enable post-treatment time, this allows Jane to assume that my 15-minute post-treatment time can occur once my shift ends. So for instance, if my shift ends at 5 p.m. and I offer a new client appointment, Jane ensures that the appointments are only available up until 4 p.m. This allows my 15-minute post-treatment time to happen after my shift ends. To set this up, head to the Staff tab in the top blue bar. Select your staff profile, click Edit Settings, and then Online Booking. Look for the option to add post-treatment time and let Jane take care of the rest. Another one of my favorite features in Jane is tags. If you're not using tags yet, you're seriously missing out on one of the easiest ways to keep your schedule organized and your practice running exactly how you want it to. Think of tags as little labels you can add to the shifts in your schedules. If you like to dedicate certain parts of your day, like the morning or specific days of the week, to particular types of appointments, tags are about to become your new best friend. To create tags, head to the settings icon and then scroll down to advanced scheduling. I've created a couple here to show you today, like initial and subsequent. Assigning those tags to your appointments under treatments, classes, and group appointments. And then go ahead and assign those corresponding tags in your shifts. It's such a simple but powerful way to structure your day and keep everything running smoothly. Trust me, once you start using tags, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Now, the next thing I want to show you is online rolling availability. This setting lets you decide how far in advance patients can book their appointments. For example, I have mine set out to 3 months, which means Jane automatically opens up booking for the next 3 months and rolls forward just 1 day at a time. This is perfect because it gives me buffer to add in my holidays and time off, personal appointments, before somebody books me out for an entire year. I know we all want this, so make sure you set up your rolling online availability. Lastly, Jane's waitlist feature comes in handy to ensure you're keeping your schedule full, and it can make some of your clients pretty happy too. Here's how it works. Anytime an appointment gets canceled, rescheduled, Jane automatically checks your waitlist and holds that spot for an eligible client who is hoping to get in. From there, you can send a notification to all waitlisted clients at once, release the spot to the general public, or manually book a specific client into that spot with one click. But here's the best part. If you choose to enable automatic waitlist notifications, Jane will send out an email or text message to everyone on the waitlist for you. No last minute phone calls or scrambling to fill gaps. Jane takes care of it while you go about your day. Setting this up is super easy. Go to the settings in your Jane account, scroll down to waitlist, and then choose your preferences. So you can allow clients to add themselves to the waitlist. It's totally optional, but I find it very convenient. You can enable automatic notifications so Jane can reach out to waitlisted clients when spots open up, and set an exclusive access time. This is how long Jane will hold the spot for waitlisted clients before releasing it out to everyone else. And that's it. With this setup, Jane helps keep your schedule full, your time optimized, so that you can focus on what you do best, caring for your clients. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching how I use Jane in my practice and manage my schedule. I hope these tips help you optimize your own scheduling in your practice.